Here we are. We are in February. Can you believe it? Today is the 4th day of February already. Goodness. Now, does anybody know what was on the 2nd? What was the 2nd? Does anybody know what happened on Tuesday? Anybody hear about a groundhog? Did, yes, buddy?
He has his running shoes on.
Oh.
No.
Did we hear about the groundhog? And that he saw his shadow, so that means 6 more weeks of winter. That's what our story's going to be about today, is about a groundhog. Are you ready to sing along for our Days of the Week song?
Yes, I'm ready.
You are? I'm so glad to hear that. Let's see. Days of the Week. Here she goes. Days of the week. 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 Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap those hands. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. And today is Thursday, February 4th, 2021. We have one more day of virtual school tomorrow. And then we'll be back in school on Monday. Woohoo! Is everybody ready to be back in school? I know I am. Right. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It is sunny. It's a sunny day. What do you think for tomorrow's weather?
Cold and rainy.
Cold and, oh no, that does not sound good. But we'll put it there for our prediction. Cold and rainy it is. Are we ready? Here we go. Let's say the alphabet together. Say it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, we're ready to count to 15? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Here we go, Dalton. Get ready to launch your ship, but you got to count. Let me hear you count nice and loud. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Woohoo! All right. Let's find some colors. What is something that is brown?
The elephant.
Brown.
Oh, he is it.
What's brown? The elephant. What's brown?
That's the chocolate.
The chocolate. The chocolate is brown. How about something green? Disgust. That's right. She's green. How about something orange? The fish. That orange fish swimming around. All right. Looking for a shape that is purple. What is a purple shape? What is it? Square. Mm-hmm. What shape is pink? The heart. How about brown? Which one is brown?
The octagon.
Not the octagon. It has two names. What is it?
Diamond.
Diamond or
Rhombus.
rhombus. Good job. All right. Our nursery rhyme is Three Little Kittens. Those three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens, we have lost. That's right. Meow, meow. Our letter this week is the letter E. E says like in the beginning of eggs. And this pretty lady down here, this is Elsa. Here is an elephant. And here is Elastigirl. They all start with the letter E. What does it start with? The letter? What letter? E. E is our letter this week. Are we ready to sing where we start our letters? Here we go. Let's see, I have to stop sharing. Forget that step every time. At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Reach it up nice and high. Wanna start a letter, and you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Here we go. Top. This is the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. It's at the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters? At the top. You start your letters at the top. Remember to start it at the top. Going down. Touch your letters at the top. Woohoo! All right. That was great. Nope. I pushed the wrong button first.
Hey, Golden.
Oh, I need to stop. So we're working on the letter E. So we're going to use our big line down, and we're going to put it under who? Under Mr. Matt's smiley face. Great job. To make the letter E, we're going to start with our little line at the top. And then we're going to get another little line, and we're going to put it in the middle. What? That's not the letter E. What letter is that? What letter is that? F. We're not working on the letter F this week, so that means I have to get another little line and put it at the bottom. Now we've made the letter E. All right, your inside voices are off, listening ears are on, and your hands are in your lap. My turn. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle, little line across the bottom. That's 3 little lines. Ready? My turn again. Listening ears are on, inside voices off. My turn. Hands are in the lap. My turn. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle, little line across the bottom. All right, you ready to do it with me? Let's reach up. And we're starting at the top. Yes. And ready? Follow along. Here we go. We're going to do it together. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the middle. Little line across the bottom. Make it one more time. What letter are we making? What letter are we making? E. E. Ready? Here we go. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the middle. Little line across the bottom. Excuse me. And we've made the letter. What letter is it? E. Good job, friends. All right. Well, that was great circle time. Thanks for joining me for circle time, Mrs. Hill.